Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine. In my last class, we read about the chapter The Meaning of Geography. Hope all of you have been able to follow it properly. So, today we are going to learn about the second chapter of geography, that is the universe, the home of our earth. So, let me first of all ask you, what do you see when you look out in the sky at night? Yes, now if you go out, means at night, if you go out, we can see it is all dark except for the twinkling of the stars and the moon. So the space beyond the sky is too dark. In fact, it is a vast expanse of dust, gases, stars, clouds and galaxies. This vast expanse of space is our universe. So here comes our first question: what is universe? So we have to remember what is universe. Universe is a space beyond the sky that is too dark. In fact, it is a vast expanse of dust, gases, stars, clouds and galaxies. This vast expanse of space is our universe. It is huge and it is continuously getting bigger and bigger. So now comes our second question, that is, what is Big Bang theory? Most astronomers believe that the universe was formed when a giant explosion occurred some near 10 to 20 million years back. So they named this event as the Big Bang. So what is a Big Bang? Most of the astronomers believe that the universe was formed when a giant explosion occurred some 10 to 20 billion years back. So they named this event Big Bang. As the universe cooled, the materials in it combined to form various objects or bodies, some round and some others irregular. So this is what you mean by Big Bang. This is the answer. Now we will read about the universe and its members. So who are the members of this universe? There are many of them. Some of them are stars, asteroids, comets, planets, satellites, meteors, galaxies. So these all comprises of the universe and these are its members. Now we are going to read about what is galaxy. What is galaxy? Solar system, Milky Way. What do you mean by that? We will read that. So what is galaxy? A galaxy is a huge group of stars clustered together with the planets and other members of the universe. Our own galaxy, to which our solar system belongs, is the Milky Way. So what is a galaxy? A galaxy is a huge group of stars clustered together with their planets and other members of the universe. So now we read about what is solar system. The sun together with its planets are called solar system. And what is Milky Way? Our own galaxy, to which our solar system belongs, is the Milky Way. So now we are going to read about stars and planets. So what are stars? The most important part of our galaxy is the stars. Stars are nothing but hot shining balls of burning gases. One example of star is the sun, that is our sun. It is a medium sized star, which means there are stars which are either bigger than our sun or maybe smaller than our sun. The sun gives us heat and light. So what do you get from sun? We get heat and light. So sun is the only source of light to our planet, and which helps the plants to grow. So now we are going to read about the planets. Surrounding the sun are the planets. So what are planets? These are circular bodies which move around the sun. They do not have their own heat or light, but reflect the light of the sun. There are 8 planets that goes around the sun, and the sun together with its planets is called a solar system. So what is a solar system? The 8 planets and sun together called our solar system. There are mainly 8 planets. What are the name of the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. We have to remember one more thing over here. All planets revolve around the Sun from west to east, except Venus and Uranus, which moves from east to west. Now we will know some features about planets. Planets do two types of movement. One is rotation, another one is revolution. So in class 2 we have read about revolution and rotation. So first we are going to read about rotation. What do you mean by rotation? The earth circles or moves around in its own axis is called the rotation. And what is revolution? When the earth circles or moves around the sun in an elliptical orbit is called the revolution. So here you can tell, here you can ask, what do you mean by elliptical? Elliptical means oval shape. The path on which they move, that shape is elliptical, that is oval shape. And what do you mean by orbit? The path in which the planets revolve or the planet moves is called the orbit. So now we are going to read about, we have to know that each planet takes its own time to complete one revolution. So here is a planet fact which is given over here and we will study. The first one is Mercury. What is the revolution period? Revolution period means how much time it takes to revolve around the sun. It takes 88 days, and its special feature is that it is the closest to the sun and it doesn't have any satellite. The next planet is Venus. It takes 225 days to revolve around the sun and it is the hottest and brightest planet. It also have no satellites. The next planet is our Earth. It takes 365 days and 1/4. That means 1/4 means 6 hours. It's unique planet with life. It is the only planet where life exists. And how many satellites do we have? One, and that is Moon. The next planet is Mars. It takes 687 days to revolve around the sun. It is also known as the red planet and it has 2 satellites. Jupiter is the next planet which takes 11 years 315 days for its revolution period, means it revolves around the sun. It is the largest planet and it is having 66 satellites. The next is Saturn. It takes 29.5 years to revolve around the sun and it is the most beautiful planet on our solar system and it has 62 satellites. The next planet is Uranus. It takes 84 years to revolve around the sun and it rolls on its sides and it is having 27 satellites. The next planet is Neptune. It takes 165 years to complete one revolution and it is bluish green planet. It is having 13 satellites. So this is the planet fact which I have given to you and we will read up to this. Next day we will continue with the chapter. Before that, let us do a quick recap. So the first thing today which we have learned is universe. What is universe? The vast expanse of space is our universe. The next one is, what do you mean by the Big Bang? So many astronomers or most of the astronomers believe that the universe was formed when a giant explosion occurred some 10 to 20 billion years back. So they named this event Big Bang. What is galaxy? A galaxy is a huge group of stars clustered together with their planets and other members of the universe. And what is solar system? The sun together with its planets is known as the solar system. And what is Milky Way? Our own galaxy to which our solar system belongs is the Milky Way. What is star? Stars are hot shining balls of burning gases. What is planet? Planets are circular bodies which move around the sun. They do not have their own heat or light but reflect the light of the sun. There are 8 planets we have read about, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And we have also read about that all planets revolve around the sun in west to east except Venus and Uranus, which moves from east to west. And we have also read about the facts, planet facts, means how much revolution time each planet takes, what is their special features, and how many satellites do they have. So this much for today. Thank you all.